ADT alarms going off for no apparent reason are usually due to simple, fixable issues. First, silence the alarm using your keypad by entering your code or pressing the disarm button. Common culprits include faulty sensors, low batteries, or environmental factors. Immediately check your ADT mobile app for recent event logs, which can provide clues about which sensor triggered the alarm and when. Look for patterns or specific sensors that repeatedly cause issues. A quick system reset, disarming, entering your installer code, and performing a hard reset if necessary can resolve temporary glitches. Also consider if recent changes in your home, like new smart devices, could be causing electromagnetic interference. Remember, ignoring false alarms can desensitize you to real threats. If initial steps don't work, inspect each sensor for damage, dirt, or loose wiring. Check doors, windows, motion, and glass break sensors carefully. Replace batteries with lithium-ion types for better stability. This prevents low power from causing false alarms. Ensure proper installation. Motion sensors should be 6 to 8 feet from the floor and away from vents or direct sunlight. If interference is suspected, move your ADT panel away from other electronics to reduce false triggers. Use the ADT app to verify signal strength for wireless sensors. Aim for greater than 80% strength. Clean sensors quarterly and test your system monthly to prevent issues. For persistent issues, get a professional inspection every 6 to 12 months. If you have pets, consider pet immune motion sensors to reduce false alarms. Keep your ADT system's firmware updated through the app for the latest fixes. Find additional fixes on online resources like Reddit's Ask ADT or home security subreddits.